All right, so today I'm going to give you two chords. I'm going to give you two chords that you can use to play in every key to back up the preacher. I needed these years ago, like when I first started playing. I actually used to transpose. And a friend of mine, great friend of mine, showed me these chords, and I no longer had to transpose. This is how it started. I didn't have to transpose anymore when I was playing behind the preacher because all I needed was two chords. I'm gonna give you those two chords. Let's go.
Presenting Rico Anthony Enterprises, offering music coaching, leadership, teaching, motivational speaking, consulting, one-on-one piano lessons, and so much more. You can search on all social media platforms Rico Anthony Enterprises, or you can visit www.ricoanthony.net.
All right. Okay, so the two chords are based on the 4 and the 1. So we'll start in the key of C, and I may do a couple of other keys just so that you can get the concept, but I'm going to ask that you do your homework on this one, okay? All right. So just because it's only two chords, I mean, gracious. All right. So if I'm in the key of C, the 4 of C is F. So that's the 4. And then I'm going to do the 1 chord first inversion. So this is the 1 chord first inversion. So I'm going 4, 1. That's all the chords I need. I can back up a preacher. I'm dead serious. So, but now my left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 5, 1. All right, so I'm just gonna walk you through that scale, right? So I'm going 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 1. That's my right hand. My right hand is going 4, 1 the whole time. Now my left hand is going 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 5, 1. Make sure I do that with one finger on my left so you can see it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 5, 1. All right. So now that I understand that, so pretty much the preacher is pretty much, he's probably going to move up a minor third. Right? So I can play around with that. But this is going to at least get you started to where you don't have to transpose. So if he's preaching and you're trying to back him up, right? You're probably going to be on organ, or you may be on keys and you got some kind of extra sounds. I'm not going to do all of that. I just want to show you. So I'm just going 4. And he's preaching, and the Lord, right? Same two chords. Same two chords. 5, 1. And if I take it up, I do the same thing. Take it up, same thing. 5. That's just the basic way to play behind a preacher to get you at least moving in those keys. Listen, I know you want all of the all of that extra stuff, and I promise you it'll come. But start yourself with a bass, right? Start yourself with just basic, just 2 chords. I just gave you 2 simple chords that you will never have to transpose again. All right. Hopefully that helps you I just want to help you. I want to get you out of what you're doing. I gave you 2 chords, the 4 and the 1. All right? Look, leave me a comment. If it's helping you, subscribe. But at least leave me a comment, a like, or something. Come on, man. Don't keep getting all this stuff for free from me, and then you're not even acknowledge that it's working for you. I want to know what's working. All right? Hit me up. Let me know where you at. Appreciate it.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.